The newly finished bullet feeder, 3D printed. This design was actually made to be ran with rubber tubes, and we altered the drop piece here so that we could use the slinky spring with a quick detach. And it's configured right now for nose down. It can also run nose up, and there'll be a dispenser at this location for the nose up if you were going to run it for an actual bullet feeder. This one's intended just for sizing. Also 3D printed parts for the bullet pusher. You can see another 3D part printed here that attaches the spring to a short section of tubing to feed down to the APP press. Here's the first test with the motor. I don't know how many bullets that is, but pretty good test run. Lee APP press sizing bullets. My new 3D printed case feeder. I do not have a shutoff in the system yet. Still working on that part of it. One bullet that comes through in the wrong orientation. They don't like to drop through when they come through tail down. Jams up the lee here. There's another one up in there. Might have to work on adjusting this guy a little bit more for this bullet type. My new MMP mold. That's all the bullets. Quit feeding, I thought something was wrong, but believe it's just out of bullets. Oh, there's 2 lonely bullets left up in there. See if I can get those guys to drop now. There you go.